Good morning to all. 7th standard biology. In previous classes, all are write the 1 and 2. 2 questions all are finish. I hope all are finished the first two questions. Today we write the third question. In your note, you write neatly and clearly. Don't scribble any one. And we use the question blue pen or black pen. Black pen. Okay. In question, we use black pen. And answer, write the answer in blue pen. We use a blue pen. Okay, Amma? Okay. Third question. Why do we often sneeze when we inhale a lot of dust laden air? Okay. The third question. Why do we often sneeze when we inhale a lot of laden air? Answer. Usually hair in nasal cavity. You already studied. In our nasal cavity, you have some hairs are present. It traps the dust particles, but sometimes these particles get past the hair in nasal cavity and irritate the lining of the cavity, which is cause of a sneeze. Sneezing helps in expelling foreign particles. Okay. Sneeze means tummal. Okay, yeah, tummal eppadi varuduna nasal cavity. In your nasal cavity some hair like structure hairs are present. The hairs are help to filter the outside in during the inhalation. The hairs are filter the outside dust particles, so that some pure air is go to inside it travel the respiratory system. Okay, windpipe. Okay, sometimes the dust particles are move inside. It pass the nasal cavity and irritate the cavity. Okay, so because at that time the sneeze is formed. ஸ்னீஸ் வரதுனால ப்ராப்ளமே கிடையாது. அந்த ஸ்னீஸ் வந்து என்னது ஹெல்ப் பண்ணுது? அந்த உள்ளே போன டஸ்ட் பார்ட்டிகல்ஸ் ஃபாரின் பார்ட்டிகல்ஸை ரிமூவ் பண்ணுறதுக்கு நமக்கு யூஸ் ஆகும். ஓகே, the answer again. Usually hair in nasal cavity trap dust particles. Sometimes these particles get past the hair in nasal cavity and irritate the lining of the cavity, which is cause of a sneeze. Sneezing helps in expelling foreign particles. The sneezes help to foreign particles outside ku kondu varadhukku use pannadhu. Okay, then it goes to the, you leave the one line and write the fourth question. First you listen. Take a 3 test tube, a small activity. The fourth question is a small activity. Take a 3 test tubes. Fill 3/4 of each with water. Label them A, B and C. Okay. Keep a snail in a test tube A, water plant in test tube B, and C, keep snail and plant both. Okay, which test tube would have the highest concentration of CO2? CO2 means carbon dioxide. Okay, listen the question carefully. Take a 3 test tubes. Fill 3/4 of each with water. Label them A, B and C. Keep a snail in a test tube A water plant in test tube B, and C in keep a snail and a plant both. Which test tube have the highest concentration of CO2? What's that meaning? You take a 3 test tubes first, okay. Then the 3 test tubes are filled with water 3 by 4, okay. 3 by 3/4 பங்கு water அந்த test tubeல fill பண்ணுறோம். Then you label the test tube A. The first one is A, the second one is B, the third one is C. In test tube A, you put inside the test tube a snail. Then test tube B, a water plant. You put inside the test tube B a water plant. Then test tube C, you put snail and water plant, okay. First test tube you put inside only a snail. Second B test tube you put inside only a water plant. Then test tube C, you put inside snail and also water plant, okay. Which one have a concentration of CO2? Listen. Answer. In the test tube A, the snail is there. Only snail is there. It is breathing out CO2. The snail is breathing out. It inhale oxygen and exhale CO2, okay. In test tube B, the plant is there. It is using CO2 for photosynthesis. In test tube C, both plant and snail are present. The CO2 exhaled by snail is being used by the plant. So, concentration of CO2 will be more in test tube A. Listen, first test tube A, only snail. The snail is breathing CO2, breathing inhale oxygen and release the CO2, okay. In test tube B, plant. The plant during photosynthesis, it absorbs CO2 and release oxygen, but breathing time it absorbs CO2 and release CO2. So, the breathing time it use the releasing the O2 and absorb, okay. In test tube C, both plant and snail present. The CO2 exhaled by snail and being used to the plant. Snail வெளியில் விட்ட CO2 plant யூஸ் பண்ணிக்குவோம். plant வெளியே விடுற ஆக்சிஜனை CO2 அப்போ கரெக்டாக இருக்கும். அதே சமயம் the same time test tube Bயில் வந்து CO2 யூஸ் பண்ணுது. எதை யூஸ் பண்ணிக்குது? ஃபோட்டோசிந்தசிஸ் பீரியடில் ப்ரீதிங் பண்ணும்போது வெளியில் விட்ட CO2 ஃபோட்டோசிந்தசிஸ் பீரியடில் யூஸ் பண்ணுது. ஃபோட்டோசிந்தசிஸ் பீரியடில் வெளியே விட்ட ஆக்சிஜனை ப்ரீதிங் டைமில் அதே சேம் பிளான்ட்டு யூஸ் பண்ணிக்குது, ஓகே. அப்போது ஏல தான் என்ன இருக்குது? ஒன்லி CO2, okay. The snail breathing inhale oxygen and exhale only CO2. The CO2 is stay, okay. So, concentration of CO2 will be more in test tube A, okay. Third question and fourth question, all are write clearly and neatly. You study well, okay. You study well the two questions and write clearly, neatly, okay. Thank you.